Top of the morning, Gnomies. Time to feed the chickens. What are they having? Well, they're having some soaked grain, some leftover tomato sauce, and I'm having a cup of tea. Let's get around the solar farm here. See if these girls are hungry. And Steve. You guys ready for breakfast? Huh? Oops! Well, that's what I get for trying to do 3 things with only 2 hands. Oh well. They seem to want the stuff I spilled more than what's in the bowl. But that's a chicken for you. Hey, we're gonna sit down here. Oh, enjoy some time with the ladies and gentlemen. Drink our tea. It's gonna be a good day. What do you think, Steve? What do you think, Ladybird? Sweet Pea, Crystal, and Dottie are over there, more interested in the dirty food. Go figure. There you go, Steve. Eat your breakfast. Quit eating my foot. Little do they know, I got a treat in my pocket here. This will get him up here on my lap. Look, Dottie's the first one. She's always the first one up on my lap. They go crazy for this stuff. Steve's got his piece. Ladybird's got hers. What do you think, Dottie? Huh? Come on, Sweet Pea. Come on. Don't be pecking down there. Dottie's kind of my favorite. Hey, quit pecking my leg. Want some? Get up here. Before Dottie eats it all. Hey, stay out of my tea. Looks like it's just you and me this morning, Dottie. Crystal might be making a move. Nope. Looks like it's just you, baby girl. I don't mind. 'Cause you're my beautifulest chicken ever. Look at you. You're gorgeous. Come on, Crystal. You can have some. Mm-hmm. 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 Say good morning. Sweet Pea decided to join us. And Dottie, you're making the strangest noises. Morning, Sweet Pea. What, no room for Crystal? What do you think? Oh, Sweet Pea. What do you think? Hmm? I don't want to hear it, Steve. That's it, last piece. One more. There you go, Dottie. And they're out of here. Hoping you all have a beautiful day. And if you like this video, go ahead and smash that button. And please, share it around. It'll do us a big old favor, that's for sure. Catch you later.